Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Munib here from Zeon Horizon. In today's video, we are going to create this animation in 3ds Max using Tyflow. So before starting the tutorial, this is my YouTube channel. I have many videos on Tyflow, 3ds Max and Pheonix FD. Make sure to subscribe it. And also I am a freelance 3D artist. So let's start the tutorial. I have already created a chamfer box. You can create the chamfer box from here by going into extended primitives. The fillet is 0.3. Now create a Tyflow. So we want to give birth to our particles. So we are using the birth operator that change the total from 200 to 50 because we don't need too many particles here. Now we want these particles to give position on this object, so we are using position object operator. Pick your object. Now you can see particles are appearing on the box. Change it from faces to volume. Let's give these particles a shape. Sphere mid-race. Change the display from small dots to geometry. So this is your particle. Now create the animation of particles. So to do this, let's create a scale operator. Change the scale of all of the particles to 0. Now create a time test operator. Set the value to 1. Change the variation to 5. Now drag and drop this scale. Change the value from 0 to around 600. Set the timing to continuous and change the interpolation to 0.5. So, mm, okay. So so no particles appearing. Change it from inherit previous to absolute. So now you can see particles have the scale animation. So what we are doing is, here we have give the scale of 0 to our particles. Then we are using the time test to give our particles scale of 600% and with the value of interpolation 2.5. So now we want these particles to scale down again. So copy this time test operator and change it to absolute. So now our particles are disappearing too early. Because this time is too low. So change it from 1 to around 5. Okay, so 5, decrease it to 0.3. Let's hide it. Now you can see that particles are appearing and disappearing. So now let's create a VDB. Disable the display of all the particles. To create the VDB, drag and drop the birth VDB operator. Unhide your box. And now we are using the object to SDF to import our object in the VDB. So pick your object. Now hide your object again. So this is your object in VDB. Now we want our particles is to interact with object. So we are using particles to SDF. Click click on use particle meshes and click on include this flow particles. So now our type flow particles eh, will work inside VDB. So change the operation from add to subtract. Also change the timing from on event entry to continuous, because we want the the so we change the timing from on event entry to continuous because we want our particles to affect the VDB continuously, not on not on event entry. So you can see the effect is working. Right now the size is small, so we have to increase the scale of the particles. I am using 1000. Okay, so let's increase these particles to 150. So simulation is completed. So I think so we can see we need more particles and we have to increase the scale of particles. So we are increasing the size of particles. So as you can see, our spheres has ate all of the object. There is nothing much left. And so you can also, to increase the quality, you can decrease the voxel size from 0.1 to 0.05. Also you can use a relax modifier and a push modifier. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Also I am a freelance 3D artist.